Hey everyone! Today we're gonna do a lifting routine. Before you start, don't forget to wash your hands and moisturize your skin. Most of the times when we massage our face, we forget to massage our neck and on our chest. Because when the skin on our neck and on our chest are just going down, they're gonna just lift our skin and our face downwards like this. So it's so important to start on your chest and your neck. So let's begin together. The thing that I'm gonna do first is to open my lymph nodes. So I'm gonna start with massaging them for 10 seconds, slowly, or 10 times, like squeezing 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Then I'm gonna go to my collarbones and start massaging over my collarbones with my fingertips, or you can do also with your knuckles for 10 times or 10 seconds. Then I'm gonna go to my neck sides, which we have lymph nodes, and I'm gonna just move downwards on these sides. This move will open the lymph nodes, and it will also reduce jaw tension and neck tension. This is also helpful to reduce headaches. Sometimes we get tension headache because of the stagnant fluid built up in nasal areas and forehead areas, these parts. So this is also helpful to just move that toxin and stagnant fluid out of the face. Next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go upwards, pinching my skin and moving it up like this. Just do this slowly, sliding the skin upwards, and you can just keep doing this for 30 seconds to move everything up so that your neck will come up and your face will just come up. Next thing is to go and move up to our neck. Move upwards and slide slowly and gently for 30 seconds on your neck while you're looking upwards. So when you're looking upwards, you're gonna just stretch your neck and lengthening it. So just move upwards. With this move, you're gonna also reduce any wrinkles, horizontal wrinkles on your neck. It's also helpful for lymphatic drainage. Then we come to our double chin and jawline area with our thumb. Pinch this part and then move to your ears. Vibrate a little. Then come back and slide again. Do this for 10 times. So with this move, you're going to just move the fat in this area towards lymph nodes that are located next to our ears. You can also do it with your knuckles like this. Massage and then come down on the neck sides. This move was for jawline and double chin. The next move is gonna be for jowls and sagging skin on the lower face. So the thing that we're gonna do is to move upwards like this, so slowly. You can do this for 30 seconds or 10 times, like counting to 10 while you're doing this. So don't forget to just move on the sides of your face in this direction, and don't go too near to the under eye area because we don't want to make any wrinkles under our eyes. We just want to lift the face diagonally and in this direction. The next side. So we are done with the facelift. Next, I'm gonna go to my eye with 2 fingers. Move my fingers upwards like this from the corner of my eyes and over my temples. moving to my scalp so slowly, but it's gonna be like a short movement. You can do this for 8 times or 10 times. Try to stretch the skin. This move really changed the shape of my eyes to go a little like almond shape. Then I'm gonna go to my brows. First pinch my eyebrows and hold for like 10 seconds to 15 seconds, or if I have time, hold for like 30 seconds. Release the tension in my muscles, and then I'm gonna just pull them outwards, and this is gonna just make my brows to release their tension and relax and also lengthen. Look at my brow, it's getting shorter when I frown, and with this move I'm gonna just teach my brows to go back to their normal length and lengthen. So I'm gonna do this move for 10 times slowly. This move also reduces any puffiness over the eyes with moving the stagnant fluid and toxins out of the eyes towards the temples, which we have lymph nodes. That's why we usually massage on our temples after doing this exercise. This is also a good exercise to lift droopy eyelids and hooded eyes. We are done with brows. Let's go to our forehead. The thing that I'm gonna do with my fingertips, I'm gonna just open my forehead like this and do this for 8 to 10 times with a medium to high pressure. With this move, I'm gonna relax my forehead. I'm gonna reduce knee lines and frown lines, especially like this. So this is for vertical lines on my forehead, and immediately after that I'm gonna do another movement and exercise for forehead, which is this one, and this is for horizontal wrinkles on my forehead. It will also lift eyes and brows on my forehead. Okay, so like that, you can see that my brows and my forehead is already lifted, like I don't need to do anything. This move is also helpful to reduce eye strain and tension headaches. So now let's do a quick lymphatic drainage, because it's so important to just move all toxins out of your face when you're finished. While I'm moving upwards my scalp, I'm going to just stop here and massage my scalp for 10 seconds. Then I'm gonna come to the temples and massage for 10 seconds. Okay, then I'm gonna come to my ears and like this, move around my ears for 10 seconds. Then I'm gonna come down on the sides of my neck, moving all the toxins and stagnant fluid down the pipes here, the lymph nodes, and then to my collarbones again. "10 seconds. Lastly, my armpits for 10 times or 10 seconds. So this was it for today's lifting quick routine. I hope it was helpful for you, and don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with anyone that you think might need this. See you next video. Bye.